Okay, problem fixed. Let's look at number 12. Number 12. Okay, number 12 states solve by replacing the rectangle and triangle with either 20 or 100. Now, it has got a two parts to it. The top one and the bottom one. Do me and yourself a favor. When you see this question, cross the top part out. That doesn't help us at all because it only has each value represented one time. You can infinitely switch between 20 or 100 and the answer would always be 220. It does not matter. Okay? This one doesn't help us. Look at this bottom one. 100 plus rectangle plus triangle minus rectangle equals 200. So this is the key here. Plus and minus. Okay? Remember we did a question earlier that, Tyler got certain number of cards, right? She gave some to Amaya for her birthday, and then her parents gave her some more, right? Something like that. So that question, you must remember that the value that she gave away and what her parents gave her before was the same, right? Same ideas here. If you add something and take it away, this number does not affect the equation at all. I want you to do this. You can even think about it this way. I'm going to highlight over it, okay? We can take this block out and take this block out. Don't worry about this two block. Only thinking about 100 plus triangle is going to give us 200. Now, there are only two values possible, correct? It can either be 20 or 10. 100 plus what is going to give us 200? 100. It has to be 100 because 100 plus 20 is 120, and that would not be 200. Therefore, 100 really is the only value triangle can be. Okay, since we don't have to worry about the 100 anymore, right? We just fill in 20 for the rectangle. So 100 plus 20, that's 120, plus another 100, 220, subtract 20, go back down to 200. See how that works? Okay? So what value does the rectangle represent? 20. Make sure you write 20 here, not inside the rectangle here, okay? That would be incorrect. I want it here. There's a line here. Please use that line. So again, this would be wrong. We're not using this, okay? Okay, thank you so much. Let's take a look at number 13. Number 13. Carter's grandmother lives 519 miles away from his house. Okay, 519 miles away. Let me just highlight that. I really like this information. His aunt Laura lives 100 more miles away than his grandmother. 100 more. More means add, right? Okay, I like that. His uncle Thomas lives 10 fewer miles away. 10 fewer. Fewer means subtract, doesn't it? Than his aunt Laura. How far does Carter live from his uncle Thomas's house? So we need to do some math here. This is what we do. 519. First, gonna add that 100 more. We're gonna get 619. Then we're gonna take 10 fewer. 619 minus 10 would be 600. Okay, I'm so sorry. This is really bad. Terrible habit. Do not do what Mr. Wang just did. We always start from the right side because that's the right side. 9 minus 0 is 9. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring the 6 down. The answer is 609. Okay, look over here. Okay, C. I like that. 609, right? That's the correct answer. Okay,